Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a video file to MP3. So if you want to convert a video file to MP3, so to basically extract the audio over to an MP3 file, then I'm going to show you the quickest way we can do this. Now all you need to do is head over to your start menu and then just search for Microsoft Store, and then you just need to click on the Microsoft Store app. In the search box at the top, we're just going to search for VLC Player and hit enter, and then head over to this VLC app here. Now you need to install this onto your computer, and once you've installed the VLC media player, we can simply open it up on our computer. Now once you've got the application open, head over to Media in the top left hand side, click on Convert/Save, and from this window you simply need to add your video file. So I'm just going to press on this add button here, and then go and locate my video file. So my one here is this MP4 one at the top, so I'm going to double click on that, and then once you've added your file you can just come down and select Convert and Save. Now from here the only thing we need to worry about is this profile, and you just need to scroll down the list until you have MP3 selected, which is this one here, audio-mp3. Make sure you click that, then come over to destination file and hit browse. So this is just where you want the final file to be saved to, so I'm going to save mine over in my desktop, and you need to make sure it's selected save as type and make sure this is set to MP3, and we're also going to change the extension at the end here from MP4 to MP3 like so, and then finally you can just hit on this save button. Once you're ready to convert your file, click on start, and now you'll need to give that a couple seconds to convert to an MP3. And now if I head over to my desktop, you can see down here I have my MP3 file that we just converted. And that's it guys, that's how you convert a video file to MP3. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.